Hello everyone, welcome to my third tutorial of Lumion version 11. This is Mayuri. In previous tutorial we discussed about how to import SketchUp model in Lumion. In this tutorial we will discussing about workstation specifications, means that your PC storage, graphics card, etc. Lumion is real-time 3D visualization tool that required powerful workstation to run smoothly. It is vary depending upon various version of Lumion. Generally, Windows 10 64-bit operating system required. A dedicated graphics card with 8 GB memory required. 32 GB or more system memory are required. It is required Intel AMD processor with high single thread performance, preferably a multi-core processor. SSD storage with sufficient space for your project. Required monitor of resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixel or higher. These specifications are necessary to ensure that Lumion can handle rendering and real-time visualization processes effectively. However, for specific details, it's the best to refer the official system requirements provided by Lumion for the version you have or intend to use. Next part we will see in next tutorial. Thank you.